কেউ যদি আপনাকে এসে দরজা নক করে, সেটা আইস হতে পারে, যে কোনো ইমিগ্রেশন অথরিটি হতে পারে, আপনারা কখন দরজা খুলবেন না, বলবেন যে আমি আমার অ্যাটর্নির মাধ্যমে কথা বলবো।
If they come and contact you directly, you can fight it out in court by stating that the government has violated your right to counsel, and that should be taken up before the federal court. They knock on their door, they show you a picture of somebody else, and they say, have you seen this person? You're going to say no. Then they enter your house, then they find the person they're looking for. They lock you up because you gave them entry. 𝗓𝗏𝗡 League is not in power. You filed a BNP case. You can still fight those cases. You filed under the 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗕𝗡 party. You can still fight those cases. You're a victim of domestic violence. You can still fight those cases.
Some people are asking that also. They are having people going like ICE or anybody is going and knocking
Yes.
at the door, knocking
Yes.
at the door. If they don't
I'm going
have
to
any
talk.
warrant or any documentation, are they also obliged to speak to them, or they can refer their lawyers?
First thing they need to tell them, please speak to my attorney.
Okay.
Gone are the days wherein you should be doing your paperwork on your own, but that's your choice. But you're taking a big risk now. Because when you're an attorney, right, they know that you have a lawyer. And generally under the law, they should be contacting your lawyer. But if they come and contact you directly, you can fight it out in court by stating that the government has violated your right to counsel. And that should be taken up before the federal court. So that's why it is the time for you to get a lawyer. And Zaman Bhai, it's better to have an attorney at law who can handle these matters. And that is important.
Yeah.
Because half the time people open the door, they talk to them, and after that they arrest them. And you know how ICE comes to your house? I'm going to even tell you how they come. They knock on their door, they show you a picture of somebody else, and they say, have you seen this person? You're going to say no. Then they enter your house, then they find the person they're looking for. They lock you up because you gave them entry.
Yes.
I tell my clients, tell them your lawyer is Mr. Gehi. Let me deal with them. And I'm so happy to tell you, Zaman Bhai, people who are scared, they're coming to us nowadays because they know we fight for you. And I specialize in deportation cases, Zaman Bhai. I like to fight with fire. Our Jamaica office, we have special Bengali staff dedicated to people now to fight against the administration, especially for cases that are getting denied. And secondly, we talk to them like we are before the judge sometimes. They say, okay, right now the thing is that, you know, 𝗓𝗏𝗡 League is not in power. You filed a BNP case. You can still fight those cases. You filed under the 𝗓𝗏𝗧𝗕𝗡 party. You can still fight those cases. You're a victim of domestic violence. You can still fight those cases. So don't give up. Don't bow to pressure. Stay strong. Secondly, you came to the airport. You had used a fake name before. And now you apply for citizenship. They denied your case. Fight for your rights. Simple thing, when you're coming back from the airport, tell them, I'm not going to sign anything. Attorney Gehi told me not to sign. I think I have my right to a lawyer. The officer will respect you. Do not sign.
Thank you.
And if you're immigration also, the mistake they do, Zaman Bhai,
Yeah.
a lot of people in our community love to go to the immigration interview on your own.
Thank
Now,
you.
what happens sometimes, you put your hand in the mouth of a lion, what is going to happen? What is going to happen when you put your hand in the mouth of a lion? He's going to grab the flesh.
Yeah.
Then, when they go, the officers giving them a statement, and they sign the statement. Do not sign the statement because he's not here to help you. He already told you, why did you not come with a lawyer? And when you go to the interview on your own, the first thing the officer is doing, he will tell you, please sign that you want to continue on without a lawyer because you have waived your protection now. And if a case gets denied, inshallah, Allah help you, God help you, Jesus help you, Rama help you. After that, it becomes very difficult for a lawyer to save you, Zaman Bhai.
Thank you. Noraji, you shared so many things at the moment about people's concern and everything. দর্শক, আপনারা শুনলেন যে নরেশজি বললেন যে অ্যাটর্নি নরেশ গিয়ে বললেন যে কেউ যদি আপনাকে এসে দরজা নক করে সেটা আইস হতে পারে, যে কোনো ইমিগ্রেশন অথরিটি হতে পারে, আপনারা কখন দরজা খুলবেন না, বলবেন যে আমি আমার অ্যাটর্নির মাধ্যমে কথা বলবো। সেটা নরেশ জি হতে পারে, অ্যাটর্নি নরেশ গিয়ে হতে পারে। আপনার যদি কোনো অ্যাটর্নি সাইন থাকে বা রিটেন করা থাকে তাহলে তার কথা বলবেন, আপনারা কোনো কথা বলবেন না। সুতরাং এরা অনেকভাবে আপনাকে বিভ্রান্তি সৃষ্টি করতে পারে, অন্য কারো ছবি দিয়ে আপনাকে বলতে পারে তাকে আপনারা চিনেন কিনা। আপনারা যদি দরজা খুলে বলেন না আমি চিনি না, সেই সুবাদে দেখা গেল যে আপনার বাসার যিনি আছেন তাকে তারা ধরে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে। এই ধরনের অনেক কেস উনিরা অভিজ্ঞতার আলোকে উনি আমাদেরকে শেয়ার করছেন। আর সবচেয়ে বড় কথা যেটা হচ্ছে আপনাকে স্ট্রং হতে হবে, আপনার যেটা রাইট আছে সেটা আপনাকে এস্টাবলিশ করতে হবে। এবং এয়ারপোর্টেও যদি আপনার কোনো সমস্যা হয়, আপনার ফেক নেম থাকে যেগুলো ওনারা এক্সপিরিয়েন্সের আলোকে আমাদেরকে শেয়ার করছেন যে অনেক ধরনের সময় ফেক থাকে, কিন্তু আপনাকে এস্টাবলিশ করতে হবে, আপনাকে এটাকে আপনার ফাইট করতে হবে। আপনার রাইট আছে ফাইট করার জন্য, তার জন্য আপনার অ্যাটর্নিরা বসে আছেন আপনাকে হেল্প করার জন্য। এবং অ্যাটর্নি নরেশ এম গেহি অ্যান্ড টিম ইজ দেয়ার টু হেল্প ইউ আউট। আপনারা ওনাদের স্বর্ণাম হতে আপনারা যারা মনে করেন তার কাছেও যেতে পারেন। সুতরাং এই নিয়ে আপনার কোনো ভাবনা কিছু নাই। বাই দ্য বাই, উই হ্যাভ 2-3 কলার্স অন দ্য লাইন। কে আছেন দর্শক আমাদের সঙ্গে এই মুহূর্তে ফোনে? নাম বলে প্রশ্ন করুন।
জি আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
জি ওয়ালাইকুম সালাম।
জি, my name is MD 𝗵𝗂𝗏 𝗧𝗕𝗡.
Yeah.
And I have two questions.
Okay.
First of all, I applied for the work permit
Okay.
in the month of April in the date of 30 after 151 days. So I would like to know, sir, from you. Can you tell me the time frame for when should I get my work permit?
Who applied for you? Is it your wife that applied for you? Who applied for you?
Sorry, sir.
আপনাকে কে অ্যাপ্লাই করেছে? কে আপনার জন্য অ্যাপ্লাই করেছে? হু অ্যাপ্লাইড ফর ইউ?
Myself.
ইয়েস স্যার। আপনি কি মানে কি লিগ্যাল ইমিগ্রেন্ট? আপনি কি কোনো কেসে?
No, sir. Sir, I seek my asylum in the month of November in the year of 2024.
Okay.
So, can you tell me, sir, what is the time frame? And also, I would like to know, sir, is the work permit is for 6 months or is the work permit is for 5 years? Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Noraji, his question is of course asylum case, and he wants to apply for his work permit. It was approved in April 2024. He's telling that how long it will take, and is it for 6 months or 5 years?
As far as I'm concerned, I'm still seeing the 5 years coming in. So we should be okay until they change stuff. Recently, I got a 5-year also. So you should be good. Unless if they change something, I don't know.
Okay.
But we've been okay so far.
So I think he applied for in 2024, 2025. It was not clear. But usually they gave for 5 years, Noraji?
Yes, so far I've been still seeing that coming in.
নিউ ইয়র্ক থেকে সম্প্রচারিত TBN 24 টেলিভিশন বিশ্বজুড়ে বাঙালির কণ্ঠস্বর।